The new CAT HighPerformance Circle is a great new feature that can extend the life and performance of circle and moldboard for your CAT 24 and 24M motor graders. New 24 and 24M motor graders equipped with the CAT HighPerformance Circle can benefit from increased performance, lower maintenance cost, and a significant reduction in unplanned downtime. Gone are the days of frequent inspection and replacement of circle drawbar wear strips and circle shoe adjustments. The new CAT HighPerformance Circle has a service life of 16,000 hours. When paired with the new CAT exclusive long life blade rail wear strips, total cost of ownership for your DCM and downtime can be lowered by up to 80%. The CAT HighPerformance Circle has several patented and industry-leading features. CAT proprietary planetary circle drives replace the worm drives and their associated service wear items. Gone are the brass wear gears replaced with long-lasting planetary gear train. The standard sealed for life slip clutch module eliminates adjustments and isolates the clutch from the rest of the drive. This module can be swapped out in minutes versus the drive rebuild that is needed with today's clutch components. The fully sealed roller bearing offers smooth and effortless rotation of the blade and is fully integrated with standard machine auto lube. Adopted from the world-class CAT excavators, this roller bearing requires no maintenance, adjustment, or replacement for 16,000 hours. New pinion gear shape allows drives to be assembled and removed vertically with no need to make drive adjustments. Simply locate by dowel locators and bolt it down. Precisely locating drives to dowels ensures easy service, optimal tooth contact, and longer pinion life. Additionally, the increased shaft diameter results in greater pinion durability. The pinion cage design seals in grease, and the inspection cover makes it easy to monitor tooth wear, although that will be almost non-existent. The new optimized structure boasts improved durability, reducing downtime and maintenance costs associated with structural rework. By eliminating all circle adjustment and maintenance, the CAT HighPerformance Circle eliminates hours of monthly planned maintenance and downtime, along with unplanned downtime due to improperly maintained or adjusted circles. Industry-leading machining capabilities are held within the thickness of a human hair, ensuring that the drawbar, circle, and drives are perfectly aligned and require no adjustments for the life of the machine. Not only does the lack of maintenance reduce the total cost of ownership of the machine, but also reduces the amount of physical touches needed to properly maintain the machine. This greatly improves safety for maintenance technicians who no longer need to remove or adjust bulky circle shoes. At the prescribed 16,000 rebuild life, the roller bearing can be inspected for wear according to CAT published reuse and salvage guidelines. If it is determined that the teeth have reached their wear limit, the gear teeth can be rotated 180 degrees, doubling the service life of the component. This inspection and rotation can be done in as little as 4 hours, or if a full replacement is needed, as little as 8 hours. Retaining the same machine connection interface, the new HighPerformance Circle is easily retrofittable to all vintages of 24 and 24M motor graders. This allows the solution to be scaled across the entire fleet of ultra-class motor graders while compounding the performance and uptime benefits. To add more value, equip your new CAT HighPerformance Circle or Standard Circle with the new exclusive CAT Blade Rail Wear Strips. These blade rail wear strips are retrofittable across all 24s, the 24H, 24M, and new 24, as well as the CAT 14, 16, and 18 motor graders, and last up to 3 times as long as standard blade rail wear strips. To understand your options and the best configuration for your new or used motor grader, please consult your local CAT dealer.